What is up, guys? Claudio Shore. I just want to start off the video by giving you guys a huge thank you for helping me get to 2,000 subscribers. We were literally at 1K like a week and a half ago, and to thank you guys, in this video basically I'm gonna be doing some gameplay, but I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway just to thank you guys, because you know I really like your support. I've been helping a lot of you guys. Also, if you were recently scammed by Sebi, I'll make a separate video. But I got some items back. So if you got scammed and you have proof, please tell me. That way I can get you situated. I'm gonna downgrade some of the stuff that I got from him, yeah, we're gonna have a great time. Like I said, thank you guys so much for the support. I started getting some ad revenue. So far, I've made like $6 in like 2 days, which is pretty good. We're getting there. Just overall, thank you very much for the support. So, yeah, we're gonna wait for Roblox to update, and we're gonna get into it. Also, I've seen that some of you guys have been purchasing my merchandise, which I really enjoy. It's only 10 Robux or 5. I'm not sure, but I know I've seen my Robux go up a little bit because I've been getting some of that. So yeah, really appreciate the support. If you don't know where my Roblox merch is, just go on my profile, check out what I'm wearing. It's the dabbing oof. I made that in class and decided to make it into like a real Roblox thing. So yeah, make sure to check that out. Should be starting now. Wow. Oh, trader? Oh, here we go. Alrighty, let's get into some assassins so I can show you guys what we got in stock. Loading data. I don't think you guys can hear the music in here. It's not in the things. Alright, classic. I don't think I have to worry about that, but let's do some gameplay. Wait, what? Where the heck happened to my exotics? Oh, dang, he got me. Okay, let me actually go to my inventory. Put on my rainbows here. This guy wants to trade for my Azuri. Crescendo. I already have a crescendo. No? No deal then. Bruh. Don't care. Anyways, so as of now, what I'm gonna be going to give away an assassin is one crescendo, one ice lord, the Ethan blade, and pretty much all these commons. So if you want to have a chance to win a crescendo, ice lord, or an ether blade, comment down below for these guys. So just for these, and then if you guys want commons, let me know too. I will give these away to anyone. So if you don't win an exotic, you can still have a chance to win these items. So yeah, that's that for here. All right, so now I'm gonna be traveling to Alright, well, I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna go to Murder Mystery 2 now to show you guys what I'll be giving away there. I still need to downgrade a lot of stuff, so 3 exotics and then all those commons. Let's see if I can join any of my friends right now. Let's see if I can join BMAT. He might be in a trading server. Yes, I am friends with BMAT. Oh, yeah, he's in a trading server, and I don't feel like going over there. So I'm just gonna join a normal server where I can't be bothered, so I can do this giveaway for you guys. But yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Hacker? What the heck? Why does the game look like this? Everything's like black. Hold on. Is this like in every single mode? That's weird. That is very weird. Okay, I guess it's the whole server. Oh, I'm stuck. But yeah, okay. So, what this person sent me. Hold on. First, I want to hide because I don't want anyone to find me. So I'm gonna hide in here. Yeah, I don't have anything like that. So for here, I'm gonna be giving away a Eternal Frostbite and what else should I give away? I need downgraded chroma, but for now, I'll give away Eternal Frostbite and probably Log or Minty. You guys comment down below. So yeah, huge giveaway for you guys. I recently got more chromas that I need to downgrade because I know some of you guys were scammed and I need to help you guys, which is what I am going to do with these items. But yeah, that's that. Now let me try to do some gameplay with my chroma slasher. Whoa. Do 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 do. I'm gonna go around. Whoa, looks like he got no scopes. Gotta find a new target. Oh, did I win? I guess I won. This is so weird. I can't believe like the servers are like all blackened and everything. I want the military base. There's some good hiding spots here. It feels so good to say I got 2K subs. Oh yeah, what like shop? The Christmas event has ended, so I might as well like. This is gonna be so annoying. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, same rules as always, like and subscribe, and yeah, huge giveaway.